Hello and welcome on presentation how to choose proper Microsoft Teams for school. So let's start. Open your browser, Google or Microsoft Edge or Safari, and type it on the Google search bar or any other browser bar, Microsoft Teams. Then search, and you will find first title on the top. Just click on that one, and here we are. To download the Microsoft Teams, just go here on the upper right corner, click on this one, and you will have two options: download for desktop or for mobile. I'm suggesting you to download for the desktop, that means for laptop or your PC. And then Microsoft Teams will give you three options: to download for Windows 10, Windows 11, that means this is for home or small businesses, and this one, as you can see it here, it's written Teams for work or school. So download this one. Just click, and automatically the download will start. After when the download is finished, you just need to click and automatically installation will start. Just waiting to download very soon, and almost there. Okay, as you can see, the download is finished. Now I will start installation. So as I said, just you need to click, and automatically your laptop or tablet, what you're using, will start installation. In this case, I don't recommend to use the mobiles. The best for Teams is to use laptop or PC computers or tablet. And here we go. Now we can sign up. You go here, use sign up, count, and here we are to sign in. Now to sign in, you probably already received from your school email address and the password. In these occasions, I will use mine. When you finish with the typing the email, just go to the next. After that, enter the password. Sign in. You need to wait a little bit until Microsoft Teams load on your tablet or your laptop, whatever you're using. As I said, I don't recommend to use the mobile in this case. And here we are. This is your Microsoft Teams. In the end, in the beginning, you will have here, so you can just click here, let's go, and Microsoft Teams will show you what all these icons mean, so you can just go one by one and close it. This is how you choose the proper version for school regarding the Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching.